How to add your email address on WhatsApp? Let's see how to do it. First of all, open your WhatsApp app, then tap on three dot icon, tap on settings. Here we can see account option, security notification and change pin. Tap on email address and enter your email address. Then tap on next. Now wait for verifying. Confirm your email address. Wait for some times, then continue as your email address. By doing this process, you can successfully add your email address, then tap on continue. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.